Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So review, in this video, we are taking a look at MEDICI version 2 EA for MT4. All right, MEDICI V2. So I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discussing the features highlighted by the developer, reviewing the historical backtesting results, and then sharing some observations about the historical testing performance. Starting here on the Marketplace page, MEDICI V2 EA is developed by Anaik Swambikal Nazar and is currently available for purchase at $299 with a 6-month rental option priced at $80. The listing shows version 2.0 and includes 5 activations. Looking at the product description, the developer presents MEDICI V2 as a long-term trading expert advisor built around advanced neural networks and proprietary algorithms. According to the description, the system is intended for longer-term investing, with the developer recommending an investment horizon of approximately 1 financial year. As I continue scrolling through the page, the developer explains that the EA uses what is described as a martingale betting system. The description states that the system aims to take advantage of precise entries while applying martingale techniques in what the developer refers to as a safer manner. The developer also notes that news events and unexpected price movements are said to have limited impact on the program's operation. Another key point highlighted throughout the listing is the use of neural network technology and advanced algorithms. According to the developer, these technologies are designed to adapt to changing market conditions and analyze market data in search of trading opportunities. The page also mentions built-in safety features intended to help manage unexpected market movements. The developer further states that the EA incorporates knowledge derived from 8 years of analysis focused on the XAUUSD market. In terms of recommended usage, the suggested trading environment is XAUUSD on the M15 timeframe. Looking at the setup recommendations, the developer suggests a minimum investment of $500 and recommends using a low latency VPS. There is also a clear recommendation to test the settings thoroughly in the strategy tester before moving to a live account. Now let us transition into the backtesting section. As we review the historical testing results, it is important to remember that backtesting provides insight into how an expert advisor performed under historical market conditions. Historical analysis can help us understand behavior and risk characteristics, but it should never be interpreted as a guarantee of future performance. So based on the strategy report that we have here, the strategy tester report, initial deposit is $500, total net profit is 5,092.15. That means the profit was over 1,000%. And the total trades taken were 262. Largest profit was 303.85. Largest loss was 417.23. Average profit was 44.43. Okay, and the average loss 61.19. And here I can see that the average risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. But let's then head over to our strategy tester and see how the MEDICI V2 EA performed on gold on the M15 time frame as recommended. I'm testing over the past 3 months, March 19th to June 19th in 2026. All right, I'm using the every tick modeling. Looking at the report, there was no trade executed. So I'm going to head over to the journal, and I can see that there might be an error message, or there might be an issue with this. Looks like perhaps with the inputs. Okay, but I didn't modify the input, so I just used the defaults. I just used the default exactly the way I got it from the marketplace page. So let's just turn on the visuals as well. Let us see how this EA looks like in action. At least we have looked at the performance that is displayed here, but then let's also look at how the EA looks like in action. All right, looking through the historical trades and the chart activity, we should be able to observe how the EA behaved during the tested period on XAUUSD M15. Right, so since the exact entry and exit rules are not disclosed in the marketplace description, it is best to focus on the observable trading activity rather than speculate about the underlying decision-making process. So what we do know from the developer's information is that the EA incorporates a martingale-based approach. When reviewing the chart history and trade sequences, it is useful to pay attention to how position management behaves over time, particularly during periods of market volatility or extended directional movement. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Extending the testing period often provides a clearer picture of consistency, drawdowns, and overall risk exposure. Now, as with any historical testing performance, results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. That is why independent testing remains an essential step before considering live deployment. Overall, the MEDICI V2 EA is presented as a long-term MT4 trading system focused on XAUUSD M15, combining neural network technology, advanced algorithms, and a martingale-based position management approach. As always, make sure to perform your own testing and due diligence so you can determine whether the EA aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.